They just had a nice barbecue dinner to celebrate their success. And things are pretty quiet around here. Let's tune in now and see what they're up to with Kickback Adventures Storm Chasers.
What do you mean you haven't made your own rainstorm before?
I have never even ever heard of that before. What are you talking about?
It's pretty cool, actually. All you need is like some kids sitting in an auditorium or something.
Yeah, kinda like them!
Whoa! Where'd they come from?
So you want to try it? Let's make some rain.
Well, you can't make some rain in here. A, it's indoors. B, it's just a bunch of kids. How are you gonna do that?
Oh yeah, watch this. You three go get some chairs.
Okay, so in order for this to work, everyone needs to be super quiet, okay?
So this section over here, you're going to follow exactly what Calvin does. The section in front of me, you're going to do what I do.
And the section in front of me is gonna do what I do.
Wow, get back. That was some storm.
I just hope everyone's home is okay after that monster.
Oh, it's bound to be, as long as they built on the rock.
What are you talking about? Build your house on the rock.
Imagine that you build your house not on a firm foundation. It would be disastrous. And I wish I had something that I can go ahead and show you to better explain what I'm talking about. Hey, oh, this is perfect. Nerdle, can I borrow your gingerbread house?
Sure, I guess. I just made it for Mimo. She's gonna love it.
Thanks. Hey, now, imagine that this is your life. Now, it looks good, everything's in place, all is well. Now watch this.
Looks yummy.
Yeah, you did a really good job. How long did it take for you to make that?
Oh, I've been working on it since last Christmas.
Wow.
Yeah.
And you did that for your Mima?
I did, yeah.
Oh man, I'm sure she's gonna really love something like that, you know? Did you
I
get
agree.
that?
Yeah, I agree.
I like that. Yeah. It looks delicious too.
She's gonna be excited. She's gonna put it right up there on her kitchen table.
Yeah, Kid Pack, did you like the way you did that? I like it.
Hey, hang on. Well, why don't you just put that in the trash bag? It's not trash.
Just remember, this is your life and it's looking really good and everything. But what happens if your house was not built on a firm foundation, on God's foundation? You know, because you didn't read the Bible, you didn't pay attention in church, why, you didn't pray.
Oh no, so what happens when the storms of life come, Doc?
Good question. Let's find out.
Let's not.
The storms of life.
What are you doing?
See, like I said, when it's not built on a firm foundation, well, it could be bad.
That's my house.
Okay, but Doc, what happens when the winds of uncertain hopelessness blow in?
Oh, that's a good question.
No, it's not. It's a terrible question.
We'll find out.
The winds of uncertain hopelessness.
Dude. Don't you dare. You're not. You're kidding me!
Doc, this is a really good illustration.
Thanks.
But like, what if someone
like weirdo, you say, you know, what if they encountered something like, I don't know, like an attack of unholy, pure evil against everything that they hold dear?
That would be bad.
Yeah.
No!
Oh, yes.
Oh, no!
The unholy attack of pure evil upon all you've ever held.
That would be bad.
What is wrong with that kid?
So, as you can see, when your house isn't built on the rock, it doesn't end very well.
Fortunately, we do know that Nero has built his house on the rock.
He built his life around God's word, staying in church and staying in prayer.
I did?
Come on, guys.
What's that?
What's in there?
Well, would you look at that?
No way!
All right. Thanks a lot, guys. Oh, boy, I'm so happy to see you. You're my favoriteest house ever. I thought you was destroyed. Gonna be little kids are so mean.
Oh, it was all right after. You know what? This was an amazing illustration, Doc. But I just got one more question. Maybe some people in the kid pack have been wondering this themselves. What would happen if, well, let's just say someone who didn't build their house on the rock faced a terrifying assault of cataclysmic horror, raining down vile torrents upon all that's held sacred, and just left it in a pile of filthy mush?
Wow. That is an excellent question.
No, it's not. It's a terrible question.
No, I think it's a great question. How many people have ever wondered that? Yeah, yes.
No, stop. That's a terrible question. Because you and you and you and you and you and you and you are all rude. And your breath stinks. And you're rude too. And y'all are crazy and mean to me. And all I did was build my house and y'all want to destroy it. And y'all are all in on this. And guess what?
What?
I'm out of here.
I guess that would happen.
Storm chasers, look out. Skies are getting dark. A big storm could be coming to your area pretty soon.
Oh no. Oh, Megan, you think we're gonna be all right?
It's Toronto, and yeah, I think we're gonna be fine, as long as our house is built on the rock.
Oh.
I could not have said it any better. Get back, it's been fun, and we know that God is with us through anything. And we don't have to be afraid of any storm. In fact, because He is with us, we can all be storm chasers.
Bye,